How are you? This is Chad Whitcomb Bee Removal. We are in Upton, Mass. And you can see right there, there's a swarm, probably about 35, 40 feet. So I got the ladder, got the pole ready, got the nuke ready. I got built out frames in there, and I have honey in there as well. These girls have probably definitely been hanging on for a day or so. It is cold and it's rainy, it's gloomy. So if you see this, hornets do not cluster like this, just honeybees. So please make sure you identify before anybody sprays. I do removals with wasp as well, with no pesticides at all. So when you see this, please make sure you identify, because they're definitely honeybees. Hornets, wasps do not swarm like this. So let's get into it. So we're May 9th, and this is the first of the year for a swarm retrieval. They are definitely not moving much. They're a little upset. I can smell banana. So already can smell banana, but there they are right there. Super lethargic because it's cold. So there isn't a marked queen, but this is an overwintered colony. And the ones that are on the ground here, I'll pick up that little cluster right there. I'll look and make sure, try to find the queen in there as well. So I'll get back to you.